Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Java JDK 24 on Rocky Linux 9 or 8. Okay, so first open terminal, verify whether we have the Java installed or not. Java -- version. See, we don't have Java, so Control C. Now download the Java JDK 24. Open any web browser, then go to oracle.com to download. Then click on products. Then click on Java, then click on download Java. If you want older versions, you have to click on archives. Okay, at the time of making this video, the latest release is Java JDK 24. Okay, if you are unable to find the version here, click on Java archive. There you will find all older versions and select the Java version JDK 24. Once you select it, then select the Linux. Then for Rocky Linux, we have to download this x64 RPM package. So click on this link to download. See, download started and its size is 232 megabytes. Wait until download completes. This will take time. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal, cd, downloads directory, ls. See, here we have the JDK RPM package. You have to install it. Sudo rpm-ivh. Then give JDK, give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, now it is verifying and installing Java JDK 24. Now verify the version of the Java that we have installed. See, we have installed Java JDK 24. Okay, Control A, ls. This file is not required anymore, so rm, give JDK, give the tab, ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, now we can create the Java programs and compile and execute. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Java JDK 24 on Rocky Linux 9 or 8 versions. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.